Hello everyone, welcome to Login Jan. In this video, we'll learn how to register for ChatGPT, a beginner's guide to signing up. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, go ahead and open up your web browser and navigate to OpenAI's website. Once the site opens up, scroll down and tap on ChatGPT. Now scroll down again and tap on Try ChatGPT. Now from here, select the sign up option. And now enter your email address and then tap on Continue. Once you're done, create a strong password for your account and then tap the Continue button. Now after this, you'll receive an email from OpenAI with a link to verify your email address. Click the link to complete the sign-up process. Once you have signed up and verified your email address, now set a name for your account and then enter your phone number. A verification code would be sent to the number. Now enter the code, and with this, you will be registered or signed in to ChatGPT. So we hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.